stared at the tower in front of me. That year that I went to France, I was told its name was Colombier. I just happened upon it by chance. I decided to stay for a little while. The place seemed so serene. Maybe it would help to change the miserable soul that I'd been. Ooh, la Colombier, is this just a tower I see? Oh no, la Colombier, you're an enigma to me. That night I slept a blissful sleep. My troubles just melted away. I had vivid dreams of a beautiful girl that lingered with me the next day. In the evening I sat in the bar of the tower and gazed at the high gallery. A figure appeared and returned my stare. My dream girl was looking at me. Ooh, la Colombier, a mystery oh so sweet. Yes, la Colombier, now your spell is complete. I had to see if my dream was real, no matter how hard that might be. No problem inside la Colombier, she seemed just as puzzled as me. We spent the rest of our time together. It was so sweet and sublime. In all my life I had never known the warmth and love of that time. Ooh, la Colombier, how long will you last? Yes, la Colombier, before your illusion is past. When I finally got back home, the truth I realized. For when I collected my photographs, I couldn't believe my eyes. I knew I had lost the magic somehow, for my lady, she wasn't there. Just some pictures of a tower they called La Colombier. Ooh, La Colombier, what tricks you play on me. Yes, La Colombier, I was too happy to see. Ooh, La Colombier, source of pleasure and pain. Yes, La Colombier, dare I ever go back again?